The square root function in C++ takes the square root of a number. Square root is in the CMath header file. We will hash include CMath. We will want to print our answer, so we will hash include IOStream. As well as doing using namespace std. Square root returns doubles, so for our answer we will do double ants equals square root of 4. Let's print our answer out. To C out, put our answer, and to our answer, put the end line. If we run this code, we get 2, meaning the square root of 4 is 2. Do note, square root is not mathematically defined for negative numbers, so don't pass negative numbers to square root. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.